Today is another we are going to another episode of our e-learning YouTube channel. So now we are going to work on mathematics, then our topic is going to be on regular shapes. So we're supposed to know we have different kind of shapes. We have the triangle, the circle, the rectangles, and then parallelogram, trapeziums. So these are shapes. Then now we are going to look into these two shapes here. We have area of parallelogram and trapezium. So we are going to look into that. So first thing we are going to see here is from this we have to draw a rectangle ABCD. Then we cut out a right angle triangle BCE. So how do we do that? So I'm going to take my ruler and show you the method for that. So when you take a look at this has to draw a rectangle here. Then you match the two together. And also this. So this is your rectangle. So now we are asked to cut out a right angle triangle on this. How do we cut out a right angle triangle? So you take your ruler. This is how you are going to cut out the right angle triangle. We know the shape of a right angle triangle. So here, if you rule from here, I think we are going to get that shape. We've already gotten that shape now. So this is the shape of this shaded part is the shape of the right angle triangle. So now you name your because it has to draw a rectangle ABCD, so we are going to name it. You have A here, then you have B, you have C, and you have D. So here now you are going to have E because automatically you've already put in another shapes here. That is for that one. So now they said fit two angles together. How do you do that? You bring out your triangle first. This is how you draw a triangle. This is your triangle. So now you are going to fit two angles together. So how do you do that? This is how it goes. So from here now, you form a parallelogram. So you also identify them. You have your A here, you have your B here, you have your C, you have your D, and you have your E. So that is that. Now we are going to look into this. We have an example here of a parallelogram. So how are we going to work on this? So first thing you do, you put your solution here. So what is the area used in finding a parallelogram? So that is the first thing you are going to look into before you'll be able to get what you want. So now, area in finding a parallelogram, area of parallelogram ABC, now said area of parallelogram A, B, C, D. So you bring this out. Then after that, you now said base is equal to base multiplied by perpendicular height. Perpendicular height. So that is what we are going to use in solving this. So now, you now said the base is the DC. This is the base, which is the DC, multiplied by the perpendicular height. These are perpendicular heights here, which is what? The AE. AE is our perpendicular height. Now set is equal to DC, you have 5 centimeter multiplied by AE, you have 9 centimeter. Is equal to, so 5 multiplied by 9 centimeter gives you 45 centimeter square. That is for that. So now look at the second example. We are also going to use the same method. Your solution comes first. Then after a solution, the area of parallelogram So when you take a look at this, the alphabet we use here is P, M, Q, S, N, R. So now we are going to look into P, Q, R, S, area of parallelogram, P, Q, R, S. That is what you figure out. Then after that, you now said base multiplied by perpendicular height your base is equal to, so this is your base here, so you have 11 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter gives you 66 centimeter square. That is for that. So now we are going to look into trapezium. So this is parallelogram. So now we are going to look into trapezium. Then from here you now said solution. Area of rectangle. Okay, sorry for that. A trapezium is a rectangular shape joined with either a triangle each at 2 ends. When you take a look at this now, we have 2 shapes here. We have a rectangle and we also have a triangle here. So that is the definition of trapezium. So now we are going to work on area of triangle ABCD. ABCD. That is the rectangle there. A, B, C, D. So that is the first thing we are going to look into. So you now said is equals to length multiplied by breadth. So this is what you have to do here. Length multiplied by breadth. Then your length here gives you 10 centimeter. Your length gives you 10 centimeter, then your breadth gives you 4 centimeter, which is equal to 40 centimeter square. That is for rectangle. So now we are going to look into that triangle there. Area of triangle BCD, which is area of triangle BCD. BCE. Area of triangle BCE. So now, what are we going to do here? I have base multiplied by height. Is what we are going to use in the triangle. I have